Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hawkenstein. So, Hawkenstein's back out and running for the season. Got her running right now. We got my brother's mini bike out. That's up and running right now. And the pit bike we recently acquired. She's idling a little high. Got to take the carburetor off, clean it up and all that shit. But she's running, she moves. Needs some adjustments. And so far we got 3 out of the, like 13 fucking bikes we got running. So, good start to the season so far. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.